Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the fasting mimicking diet, autophagy, and intermittent fasting. These three topics have been gaining popularity in the health and wellness community for their potential benefits in promoting overall well-being and longevity. So, let's set the stage for exploring these concepts further. What is the fasting mimicking diet? The fasting mimicking diet, or FMD, is a dietary approach that involves consuming a specific low-calorie, plant-based meal plan for a set period. This diet is designed to mimic the effects of a prolonged fast while still providing essential nutrients to support the body's functions. By following the FMD, individuals may experience improved metabolic health, weight loss, and cellular rejuvenation benefits. Autophagy, a natural cellular process, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and function of our cells. During autophagy, damaged or dysfunctional components within the cells are broken down and recycled, promoting cellular repair and regeneration. This process is essential for removing toxins, reducing inflammation, and supporting longevity. By promoting autophagy through practices like fasting, individuals can enhance their cellular health and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This approach focuses on something other than what you eat, but rather when you eat. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you may experience improved insulin sensitivity, weight management, and enhanced cognitive function. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been linked to longevity and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore these topics further to understand how the fasting mimicking diet, autophagy, and intermittent fasting can positively impact your health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Have you ever wondered about the science behind the fasting mimicking diet and how it can benefit your body? Let's delve into the specifics of this innovative dietary approach and explore its impact on overall health and well-being. The fasting mimicking diet is based on calorie restriction and fasting mimetics, which are compounds that mimic the effects of fasting on the body. By following a carefully designed meal plan that is low in calories, carbohydrates, and proteins but high in healthy fats, individuals can trigger metabolic pathways associated with fasting without completely abstaining from food. This approach promotes cellular rejuvenation, enhances autophagy, and supports overall health. Following the fasting mimicking diet has been associated with many potential health benefits. These may include improved metabolic health, enhanced cognitive function, weight loss, reduced inflammation, and increased longevity. The fasting mimicking diet may also help protect against age-related diseases and support overall well-being by promoting cellular repair and regeneration. When following the fasting mimicking diet, it's essential to focus on consuming nutrient-dense, plant-based foods that are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients. Foods that align with this dietary approach include leafy greens, nuts and seeds, avocados, olives, and herbal teas. A typical meal plan for the fasting mimicking diet may consist of soups, broths, herbal teas, and small portions of nuts and seeds to provide essential nutrients while promoting the fasting mimicking effects on the body. By incorporating the fasting mimicking diet into your routine, you can reap the numerous health benefits of this innovative eating approach. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your health through the fasting mimicking diet. Have you ever heard of autophagy and its crucial role in promoting cellular renewal and overall health? Let's explore the concept of autophagy and its significance in maintaining optimal cellular function and well-being. Autophagy, derived from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phage, meaning eating, is a natural cellular process that removes and recovers damaged or dysfunctional components within the cells. During autophagy, the cells break down and eliminate unwanted proteins, organelles, and other cellular debris, promoting cellular rejuvenation and maintaining cellular homeostasis. This process is essential for preserving cellular health and ensuring the proper functioning of the body's tissues and organs. How autophagy contributes to longevity and disease prevention. Autophagy plays a vital role in promoting longevity and preventing age-related diseases. By clearing out damaged cellular components and reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, autophagy helps to protect against cellular damage and dysfunction. Studies have shown that enhancing autophagy through dietary interventions, such as fasting or calorie restriction, can improve metabolic health, enhance immune function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and cardiovascular conditions. By supporting autophagy, individuals may extend their lifespan and enjoy a higher quality of life. Lifestyle choices and habits can naturally enhance autophagy and promote optimal cellular renewal. Regular exercise, particularly high-intensity interval and resistance training, has been shown to stimulate autophagy and improve cellular health. Additionally, incorporating nutrient-dense, plant-based foods rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients can support autophagy and reduce oxidative stress. Adequate sleep, stress management, and healthy weight are essential to promote autophagy and overall well-being. You can optimize your health and longevity by understanding the importance of autophagy and implementing lifestyle choices that support this essential cellular process. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing autophagy and promoting cellular renewal naturally. Are you curious about the benefits of intermittent fasting and how it can positively impact your metabolism, weight management, and overall well-being? Let's explore the advantages of incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle for improved health outcomes. Intermittent fasting encompasses several protocols, including the 16/8 method, 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window each day, while the 5-2 diet consists of eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories on the remaining 2 days. Alternate day fasting alternates between days of regular eating and fasting. Each protocol has unique effects on the body, such as promoting fat loss, improving metabolic flexibility, and enhancing cellular repair processes. Intermittent fasting has positively impacted insulin sensitivity, a key factor in metabolic health. By allowing the body to enter a fasting state, intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, intermittent fasting has anti-inflammatory effects, as it can reduce markers of inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Numerous success stories and research findings support the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight management, metabolic health, and overall well-being. Many individuals have reported significant weight loss, improved energy levels, and better mental clarity after incorporating intermittent fasting into their routine. Research studies have also demonstrated the potential of intermittent fasting to promote longevity, enhance cognitive function, and protect against age-related diseases. Stay tuned for more insights on how intermittent fasting can transform your health and well-being. Are you ready to embark on a fasting mimicking diet journey but need help seamlessly incorporating it into your daily routine? Let's explore practical tips and strategies for successfully integrating the fasting mimicking diet into your lifestyle for optimal health benefits. Transitioning into and out of a fasting mimicking diet cycle is crucial for maximizing its effectiveness and minimizing potential side effects. To ease into the fasting phase, gradually reduce your calorie intake and focus on consuming light, plant-based meals leading up to the start of the fasting mimicking diet. When transitioning out of the fasting phase, slowly reintroduce regular foods over a few days to allow your body to adjust and prevent digestive discomfort. Meal prepping can be a game changer when following the fasting mimicking diet. Consider preparing nutrient-dense soups, broths, and herbal teas in advance for your fasting days. To align with the principles of the fasting mimicking diet, opt for plant-based ingredients such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, nuts, and seeds, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Experiment with simple recipes that are easy to digest and provide essential nutrients to support your body during fasting. While following the fasting mimicking diet, you may encounter challenges such as hunger pangs, cravings, or feelings of fatigue. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, and broths to combat these challenges, help curb hunger and support detoxification. Engage in light physical activity, practice mindfulness techniques, and get adequate rest to manage stress and enhance the benefits of the fasting mimicking diet. Remember that consistency and perseverance are vital to overcoming challenges and reaping the rewards of this transformative dietary approach. Whether you experiment with fasting cycles, focus on nutrient-dense foods, or practice mindful eating, these practices can support your journey toward optimal health and vitality. If you found this information valuable and insightful, we invite you to engage further by subscribing to our channel for more in-depth content on health, wellness, and lifestyle optimization. Remember to like this video and share it with your friends and family who may benefit from learning about the fasting mimicking diet, autophagy, and intermittent fasting. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring content to support your well-being goals.